What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day trading video, and today we're finally back. We're finally back! Isn't that right, Blackjack? I have a cat. I just wanted to introduce him. Kinda. Not not for long, to be honest. Her name is Blackjack, and hopefully some blackjacks can bring us some luck today, and we can catch it up for the day. So let's get started. Alright, it is finally good to be back. Let's analyze the pre-market real quick. So if we go into the daily real quick, you can see that we have a big green candle. So I do suspect this going up, but we could go down a little bit lower. But I think this is just gonna be a green candle. So we're gonna have to see. You know, I wouldn't be surprised if we do just climb all the way up. I wouldn't be surprised. If we go into the 4 hour, you can see there's this huge 4 hour gap. Now I'm going to this new week opening gap real quick. But we had this huge 4 hour gap that we're respecting as of right now. If we go into the 1 hour, you can see that we're just in this bullish we're just in this bullish trend. If we go into the 15 minute real quick, let's see. Wait. We're going to the 1 hour. Is this Monday? Oh no, this is Friday. Okay. If we go into the 1 hour, 15 minutes. Sorry, we can see that there's a lot of small 15 minute fair value gaps. Like we have this one right here. Really small. We have this one right here. I just noted this one. I'm gonna note this one as well, but it's really small. Like it's really small. Like look how small this 15 minute. Like I don't like this might get respected, but it's like really small of a 15 minute fair value gap. I'm not gonna lie. Did it put 15 minute? Did, but it's just so small that the 15 minute wording won't come out because I placed it instead of on top, I put it in the middle, in the inside. But yeah, it's just so small. Like we have this another one right here, but I put on the latest one. We have this 15 minute for value gap, but you can see it got inversed by these two candles right here. Well, realistically, this candle, but still. We have Asia highs right here with Asia lows right here. So no manipulation has formed, but I do think what could happen is we hit these lows and then climb up to Asia highs, or we just hit Asia highs and then go down. But what I'm primarily looking for is we hit these lows and then go up, because we have all-time highs right here with relatively equal highs. So I wouldn't be surprised if we just by opening market we just climb up. If you hear Blackjack meowing, that's just him roaming around and stuff and just meowing. But yeah, I primarily want to see this happen. So we go into the 5 minute real quick. Yeah, we have this like crazy low right here to catch. That I really do hope we catch. So I just want us to see. I just want us to see. I just want us to. Darn it! I just want us to go down and catch these lows. And I do think, hopefully, we go down off the opening because we have this SMT high, lower high, high, higher high. We have an SMT right here. So I really do hope we start going down. Yeah, so I really hope that happens. And real quick, guys, I have problems with alpha. Alpha kind of, I'm not gonna lie, my account gone with alpha. F alpha. I don't like alpha anymore. I'm now with Lucid. Account is passed. Just that, and then I had to figure out some personal stuff. Yeah, just I had to figure out some personal stuff. But we're back, baby. It's good to be back. I'm very patient. So yeah. Oh wow, we're really going down with the SMT. Okay, if we can go even more down, we might respect this 15 minute for value. Yeah, just start climbing up. If we do start climbing up, I want us to hit Asia highs or these relatively equal highs and start going down. I really want us to start going down off of those two, off of one of those two. If not both, we just hit both of them and just boom. That would be such a W thing to happen. If you go to ES, yeah, ES is just going down. We have another, no wait, low, no wait, high, lower high. Yeah, no, not SNT. This is just SNT right here. These two. If you look at 15 minute, if you go into ES, yeah, both Asia highs and low didn't get touched either. So yeah, if anything, if we go down on our market open, and then we hit AJ low. We have this low, kind of like this low. Let's go to the 5 minute. Market is open. Maybe yeah, the London low. Maybe hit these lows on yeah. Okay, we're just going up. Darn it. No. Okay, that's fine. So, because there's still a chance we still go down. Just depends on what happens. So hopefully hopefully we go down. Hopefully, we do hope. The SMT, maybe the SMT stays in effect. Check out those highs. And yes, we did not. Still have a bearish SMT. What did Blackjack do? Okay, whoa, big rocket down. Let's go. Okay, nice. That's exactly what I wanted. If we can go more down, form either a fair value gap, or a high to break it. And if the high was in that fair value gap actually too, then and we broke the high and the fair value gap, that would be awesome. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll get back to you guys when anything happens. And oh yeah, and please guys, any recommendations? If you have any good indicators instead of volume, I know volume is good, but if I want to add additional indicators to see if my strategy can work out. I try to VWAP, but it's like it's not really useful. I guess I don't know. If you guys know any indicators I can use, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys when we catch a trade. Almost forgot to mention that. Oh yeah, we was right on the money plan. We didn't touch these lows, but on ES we made a crazy SMT touching these lows, London lows, and Asia lows, but not on ES. I mean on Q. So we have an SMT right there. I'm just waiting for an equilibrium. This trade is looking good right now. It's going up. Wow, I really do want us to get an equilibrium though, please. Okay, go right here. So I'm gonna just be patient, wait for that. But there was this new week opening gap that we are nowhere near and might just completely ignore. This is insane. Like we completely might ignore this. Like I always expect new week opening gaps to get hit in pre-market HSH, but no, it just boomed up, went a little bit down, and now we're going. I think we're just gonna go completely back up. We're inversing this 5-minute gap right here. This is crazily going up. I really do hope we get a retracement because this is looking like a green opportunity. I think we're getting a lot of buys in the market. But yeah, you can see the volume actually kind of decreasing, but still. Hopefully we just go up. If we checked point of control is down here. So, I hope we just go down, tap into the equilibrium, and then we're set. Yeah, equilibrium has been set. We have to tap that middle ground, and then we're set. And I'm gonna just be patient, wait for that to happen. My setup, happens all the time. I'll get back to you guys when I take a share. I just wanted to update you guys on that because I forgot to. Space. That was a lot of space. That was a lot. Wow. It just went down. It was just climbing down. I'm not gonna lie. So I gave off a lot of points. I'm not gonna lie to you. Gave off a lot of points, but it just kept going down. Like frick, man. Frick. Wow. Okay, it did go below, yeah, so good on that. Wow, we just gave off a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Realistically, it should have been right there. Wow. Okay, maybe I should have been patient. I hate when it does those big wicks down. Maybe I should have been. Whoa, 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 go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Oh my gosh, please. No, no. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Please don't. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Please, for the love of everything, please. Oh my gosh, for everything I have. Oh my gosh, please go down. Oh my gosh, please go down. No, no, please go down. No, 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 no. Please go down. No, please go down. Please go down. Yes. Redwick. Oh my gosh, go down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, please go down. Please, please, please go down. Please go down. Oh my gosh. Please go down. Please go down. Please go down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jump. Say something bad. Say I am starting war with everyone and everything in this universe. Oh my gosh. Please go down. Oh my gosh. That entry was so horrible. That entry was so horrible. That entry was so horrible. That entry was so horrible, please. Fuck!
Stock filled.
No, that it was the worst entry I've ever done in my entire existence of what the frick? That was I gave off so much points. 16 points. I remember the worst one being 17 points. Oh my gosh. Okay. Exit out equilibrium. That was gonna be a loss anyway. Wow. No. Yeah. Blackjack. I'm not gonna lie. Blackjack gotta go. Blackjack gotta go. This is at 16. Okay. 16, 16, 16. Wow. 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 Oh my gosh. Frick, not good starting off the week like this. Okay, so we tap equilibrium right here, went out, and this was giving off more than 10 points. I gotta be patient on these. I mean, it was a loss regardless, so it's good to see that it was a loss regardless, not because of my entry. Um, Even if your stop loss was the high of this candle, damn, you would have got stopped out still. I was thinking of put a break even at the top of this fair value gap, but since I gave it so much points, I was like, I quickly changed my thinking. I was like, I'm gonna put it in the middle of this fair value gap to get some points, but it obviously didn't have. Wow, look at that! I bottom ticked out that short. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. No, it's we inverse this gap and this gap. So I was originally taking the longs, but we extended so far up that I was like, you know what? We hit Asia highs. Like even if we took the longs, they didn't even tap the medium from this low all the way to this high. Number one, number two, like we extended so up. Look at this inverse, broke structure. We didn't even go down at all. We made this candle and went up. So I was like, you know what? We touched Asia highs. I think like okay, we're probably gonna manipulate off of Asia highs. But nah, this is like crazy. Damn. We had SMTs. Like, come on. You see this like SMT right there? You see that SMT? This short looked gold. This short looked golden. I'm gonna be honest. It looked golden. We inverted these two. It might not look like it, but if we go onto the micro, you see the high and the low. They see inverted. Yeah, this fair value gap two inverted. Break a structure. This low broke structure. Like, so I was like, you know what? Now it's looking like a good short. Like I think the short is gonna play out perfectly. I really do think so. I think we're gonna go into these lows because we have point of control. We had okay. One mistake I did do is I didn't check point of control. Yeah, point of control right here. But even if like, I thought we was gonna go down to this point of control and tap it. Honestly, I didn't see this. I'm not gonna lie, I did not see this point of control tap perfectly to that. So that's one red flag. This point of control was a red flag, but I still wanted to take the trade. It still looked good to be honest. Not the best start for the comeback, but you know what? We're back. I'm happy we're back. I I know I'm profitable. I know my strategy works. I did sleep at 4, but I had nothing to do with it since I had great analysis and everything. It's all fine. You know what? We're gonna be back tomorrow. Catch it. Definitely gonna catch these dub tomorrow. 100%. Wow, these is perfect take profits too, all the way to this low. Come on, man. Anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna call it here for today. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good to be back. Yeah. Peace.